In a windswept harbor, a young blacksmith named Einar unearths a rune etched on a ship timber washed ashore. The rune glows faintly and guides him to a submerged cave, where ancient Norse guardians slumber beneath salt and ice. When he speaks the old oath aloud, a map of stars and fjords blossoms in the air, revealing a path to Yggdrasil lost realm. He learns that courage, craft, and worthy friendship awaken the forest spirits who guard the 9 worlds. The tale ends with Einar carrying the responsibility to defend the forgotten hall and keep the myths alive for newcomers.